All right, look, we're doing something different today. I'm not just gonna sit here and talk to you about an awesome AI tool I just built. I'm gonna show you. In the next few minutes, you're gonna listen to two live phone calls. A potential buyer calling a buy here, pay here dealership looking for a truck, and an existing customer calling in to check their buy here, pay here account. Look, plain and simple, the person answering these calls doesn't actually exist. It's our new AI agent built specifically for buy here, pay here dealerships. It knows every car in your lot, it knows your financing terms, it can answer any question, it can calculate payments, and even book appointments for leads on the spot. It could even look up your customer accounts on a DMS like Dealer Center. It's trained like your best employee, except it doesn't go home at 6 p.m. It's trapped answering your phone calls forever. I know that sounded kind of dark, but it's great for business, so let's get started. First call, I'm a buyer, I just got off work, so I finally have a few minutes to jump on a call. I've been eyeing this black F-150 on the car lot, so I'm just gonna call and try to get the price and see how the financing works.
Hey, I'm Sophia with Beyond Auto Sales. How can I help you today?
Hey Sophia, I was driving by your lot and I saw a bunch of trucks. I was interested in getting some pricing on them.
That's awesome. We've got some great trucks on the lot right now. To help you find the perfect one, let me ask you a few quick questions. Are you looking for a specific year or make, like a Ford, Chevy, or Toyota? And do you have a price range in mind or a down payment amount you're thinking about?
Yes, I'm looking for like a black Ford F-150. I think I saw it on your lot earlier this week, and I think I can put down like 5,000.
Perfect. A black Ford F-150 with 5,000 down. That's a solid choice. Let me search our inventory and see what we've got that matches what you're looking for. I'm seeing we have a couple of great truck options that match what you're looking for. First up, we've got a 2020 Ford F-150 Super Crew with about 112,000 miles. That's $19,995 with your 5,000 down. Another solid option is a 2021 Ford F-150 Super Cab. Also $19,995 with the same down payment. Both of those are ready to roll. Any of those sound like something you'd want to come see in person?
Yeah, that's not bad. I'm interested. Can you tell me how the in-house financing works?
Absolutely. So buy here, pay here. Financing means we finance the vehicle right here at the dealership instead of sending you to a bank. You make your payments directly to us, which can actually make it easier to get approved even if your credit isn't perfect. With our program, we typically ask for a valid ID, proof of income, proof of where you live, and a few personal references. Your down payment helps lower your monthly payment and improves your chances of approval. We usually set up your payment schedule to match when you get paid. Weekly, bi-weekly, or twice a month, so it fits your budget better. The exact terms depend on your income and the vehicle price, but that's the basic idea. Does that sound like something that could work for you?
Yeah, it does. Can I go by this Saturday so I can check it out? And is there any way you can send me pictures of it so I can show my wife before I go?
Perfect. So just to confirm, you're looking to come by this Saturday to see one of those F-150s in person, right? And you want me to text you some pictures so your wife can take a look first. That sounds great. Before I get that set up for you, who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
This is John.
Great to meet you, John. And your last name?
It's Trillo, Trillo.
Perfect, John Trillo. So I'm going to text you pictures of those F-150s so you and your wife can check them out. What time works best for you on Saturday? Morning or afternoon?
I think in the morning. At what time do you guys open on Saturday?
We're open Saturday from 9 in the morning to 6 in the evening, with the last appointment slot at 5:45. So morning works great. How about 10 o'clock on Saturday? Does that work for you?
Yes, that works.
Excellent. So that's Saturday at 10 o'clock to see those Ford F-150s. Let me get that booked for you and send those pictures over right now. Perfect, John. You're all set. I've sent you pictures of both F-150s to your phone so you and your wife can check them out before Saturday. Your appointment is booked for Saturday, February 7th at 10 in the morning. You'll get a confirmation text as well. Come on down and we'll get you behind the wheel of one of those trucks. Thank you for calling Beyond Auto Sales. We appreciate you. Have a great day.
All right, so it found me a truck, it talked to me about in-house financing, it booked an appointment, and it even sent me a link so I can see the truck on the website and get more information about it. Imagine this running for your dealership 24/7, not only answering calls during non-business hours, but also answering every missed call that your team has throughout the day. So that was the sales call. Let's see what happens when an existing customer calls in asking about their Buy Here, Pay Here account.
Hey, I'm Sophia with Beyond Auto Sales. How can I help you today?
Hey Sophia, I bought a car from you guys a couple weeks back, but I forgot when my first payment was due. Can you help me out?
Of course. I can definitely help you with that. To pull up your account, I'll need a couple of pieces of information. Can I get your account number and the phone number that's on file for your account?
Yes, my account number is 6218 and my phone number is...
Perfect. Let me verify that for you real quick. Great. I've got your account pulled up, Jose. Your first payment of $372.39 is due on February 18th, 2026. You're all set. No late fees or anything past due right now. You can make payments anytime at beyondautosales.com using your account number and date of birth if you want to get ahead on it.
Oh, awesome. And can you tell me how much money I owe on the vehicle?
Your current balance on the vehicle is $8,491.32. You've got 36 payments remaining on your loan, so you're all set with that Dodge Durango.
Okay, thank you. Is there any way you can text me a link so I can make the payment online?
Absolutely. Let me get that set up for you. Perfect. I just texted you the payment link. You can use your account number, phone number, and date of birth to log in and make your payment anytime. You're all set, Jose.
Got it. Thank you, Sophia. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling Beyond Auto Sales. We appreciate you. Have a great day.
And just like that, it pulled up my account and told me my due date, and it sent me a link to make a payment. So look, the voice agent is just a fraction of what BHPH Agent can do. It could handle text messages, a live web chat, and even your social media DMs. So if you want to try this for yourself, go to bhphagent.com. We built a demo site specifically for dealers where you could go in there and test BHPH Agent in 3 different ways: a phone call, a website voice button, or a live web chat. Go in there and put it through the same thing I just did so you can see what it could do for your customers. I'll see you in the next video.